In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can get your tools talking to each other in just a couple of minutes. Integrating Mailchimp with Monday.com helps you keep your marketing data and your project tracking in sync, which means fewer manual updates and a smoother workflow. Start by heading to your Mailchimp workspace and look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the main navigation menu, click Integrations. This is where Mailchimp lists the apps and services it connects to. If you don't immediately see integrations, try expanding the sidebar or scrolling down a bit. If your account uses role-based permissions, make sure you have the right access to view integrations. If not, an admin on your team can help. Once you're on the integrations page, use the search bar at the top and type monday.com. Spelling matters here, so enter it exactly as monday.com to pull up the correct result. You should see the official monday.com integrator appear. Take a quick moment to confirm you're selecting the authentic listing from a trusted provider and review any notes Mailchimp displays about what the connection can do. Next, select the monday.com integrator and choose the option to connect your account. Mailchimp will guide you through a quick authorization flow. You'll be prompted to sign in to your monday.com account and grant permission for the connection. This typically includes allowing access to specific workspaces or boards so data can pass securely between the two platforms. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, choose the one where you plan to use the integration. It's a good idea to double-check you're authorizing the correct workspace to avoid confusion later. If your team has strict admin controls, you might need an admin on monday.com to approve the connection during this step. After you confirm the permissions, the connection completes and you'll be brought back to Mailchimp. You should now see monday.com listed as connected or active in your integrations area. That confirmation indicates the two platforms are successfully linked. And there you go. Your Mailchimp and monday.com accounts are now integrated. That's all. From here, you can rely on the connection to reduce manual tasks and keep your marketing and project data aligned. If you ever need to review or manage the connection, return to the integrations page in Mailchimp to view status, update access, or disconnect if your needs change. Keeping the integration active and authorized will help your team stay organized and focused on the work that matters.